Now he's just took.
But when he floats the ball like that, you don't even have to move your front foot.
But Bangladesh have done so poorly in their power play. They've had no.
Beautiful timing, square driving.
Oh, it's a beauty.
The ball not really doing a great deal, but it's just the length of the session. 3 down for 23.
Punch Milet. Richard Kettleborough, very experienced umpire. And on 54th. One.
It's another drive ball.
A lightning fast out.
Nicely timed, nicely played.
Timing. The ball is coming down at the right time. You'd be able to really make a statement on this game, but it's...
Little off cutter.
Well, so you just got to be real.
Often than not, let's have a closer look.